Alright, so we've got the X5 dropped off. Unfortunately, they didn't want to be on camera. But this is the Babcock Auto Care here in Rochester, Minnesota, right off 55th Street. If you're ever in town, mention that you saw them on my channel, Fire Wrench Garage. Not a paid promotion, but these guys are amazing. They really take care of people. They care about your car, making sure that you're happy. So got the old X5 dropped off. I'll be picking it up later on this afternoon, so give them a call. Their number's right up here. Hopefully you can see that, 507-226-8330. They do everything. They're a complete auto care company. So if you're in Rochester or in the surrounding area, give these guys a call if you need some auto service, or you can give me a call. I can take care of a lot of your basic service as well.